Now, good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start the new chapter, and that is refraction of light. Refraction of light. Now, before starting refraction of light, first we will recall about reflection what you have studied in standard 7. तो रिफ्लेक्शन किसको कहते हैं, पहले ये जान लेते हैं. Reflection of light. When any incident ray strikes a surface and returns back into the same medium, or bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as reflection of light. When any incident ray strikes a surface and returns back into the same medium and returns back into the same medium. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. Reflection of light. This I am showing you with the help of diagram. This is the opaque surface. This is your incident ray. This is your reflected ray. And this is the normal. So this is your incident ray. Reflected ray. This is your normal. This is your angle of incidence, I. This is your angle of reflection, R. And this is the opaque surface. So R is your angle of reflection and I is your angle of incidence. And by laws of reflection, we have studied that in standard 7 you have already studied angle I is equal to angle R. यानी कि angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. And the second point was incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence. At the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane. In the same plane. So these two laws already you have studied. Angle I is equal to angle R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence. This point is called point of incidence. Where the incident ray strikes the surface, that point is called point of incidence. all lie in the same plane. So this you have already studied in standard 7. Now come to the topic refraction of light. Now what do you mean by refraction of light? Refraction of light का मतलब होता है the change in the direction of the path of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. जब एक transparent medium से दूसरे transparent medium में light जाता है and उसका path change हो जाए, light का path change हो जाए, then that phenomenon is called as refraction of light. The change in direction of the path of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. And this phenomenon is called as refraction of light. I am going to show you with the help of figure. The figure is as such. This is the surface separating the two medium. This is medium 1 and this is medium 2. Both are two different medium and this is the incident ray. Now first of all we have to draw the normal to find the angle of incidence. This is your normal and now the path of the light will change. Yeah. This is called refraction. You get incident ray. This is called refracted ray. Refracted ray. This is your angle of incidence I. This is your angle of refraction R. And this is the boundary of the two media. ये boundary हो गया जो कि दो मीडियम को सेपरेट कर रहा है. ठीक है, जैसे a glass of water. The surface of the water is called the boundary of the two medium. तो वहां पर दो मीडियम क्या है? The medium above the surface of the water is your air and the medium just below the surface of the water is simply water. तो दो मीडियम हो गया. The top surface is your boundary separating the two media. तो रिफ्रैक्शन कहां पर हो रहा है? रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा है at the boundary, at the surface. So it is also called as surface phenomenon. It is also called as surface phenomenon. क्योंकि ये सरफेस पर हो रहा है. ना तो ये मीडियम 1 में हो रहा है, ना ये मीडियम 2 में हो रहा है तुम्हारा सरफेस पर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज सरफेस फेनोमेनन. नाउ एक चीज और ध्यान देना है कि चेंज इन मीडियम कॉजेस पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन एज वेल एज रिफ्रैक्शन. अब यहां पर एक सवाल उठता है कि क्या रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है? नहीं, रिफ्लेक्शन भी हो रहा है और रिफ्रैक्शन भी हो रहा है. रिफ्रैक्शन तो दिख ही रहा है, बट देयर इज पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन ऑल्सो. तो यहां पर हम दिखा देते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन भी विद द एरो लाइन. ये हो गया तुम्हारा पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्शन. But most of the light will enter into the another transparent medium. तो यहां पर एक पॉइंट और हम डाल देते हैं. Here one more point I am writing. Change in medium causes partial reflection and refraction. Change in medium causes partial reflection and refraction. तो रिफ्लेक्शन भी हो रहा है और रिफ्रैक्शन भी हो रहा है, बट रिफ्लेक्शन जो होगा वो बहुत कम होगा, पार्शियल होगा, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द लाइट विल एंटर इनटू द अनदर मीडियम, ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम. Now, what is the cause of refraction of light? Cause of refraction of light. The cause is, it is due to the change in the speed of light as light travels with different speed in different media. जब लाइट एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में ट्रेवल करता है, उसका स्पीड चेंज हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन द डेंसिटी ऑफ द मीडियम. हर एक मीडियम का अपना अपना डेंसिटी होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन द डेंसिटी ऑफ द मीडियम, द स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट चेंजेस. और जैसे ही स्पीड चेंज होगा, the path of the light will also change. तो cause क्या हो रहा है? It is due to the change in the speed of light. It is due to the change in the speed of light as light travels with different speed in different media. Media is the plural of medium. So it is due to the change in the speed of light as light travels with different speed in different media. तो हर एक मीडियम में लाइट का स्पीड चेंज होते रहता है बिकॉज